When I was asked what will be the best environment to speak about Industry 5.0, I thought nature, because it shows us this power and beauty of evolution. Industry 5.0 is not the next industrial revolution. I build it as a first industrial evolution ever led by man, human, and this is what makes it different. Many try to screw it up, use it as a sales tool, as a buzzword. Don't trust them. They are just misusing idea which exist here for 5 years already. And not only idea, over 1 million metric tons of products and material did not become waste thanks to Industry 5.0. What was needed? Acting, not the money. Because if you prevent waste happen, as Industry 5.0 does, and you do it systematically, you don't have to invest money. You collect money instead. You generate money because something was once was waste and treasured just for one and only group, waste industry. Becomes treasure for yourself, becomes treasure for many. Same as the nature does. If the tree does not need the leaves, he releases it, and on the ground they build up the soil. Here I am in a nice forest, close to city where I live, and you can see here the beauty of the nature. You can hear the nature. I think it shouldn't be me who speaks about Industry 5.0. It should be the nature. Because I learned a lot from her. Every single tree grow up so high. And if it go away, it leaves behind a trunk and a beautiful place for new life to grow. The tree does not grow because of profit. It does not deliver the oxygen because of CO2 emission trading. It does not smell so nicely because its smell can be sold. Nothing of that is true. It grows up because it feels it has to be this way. And the same way I did and I work with Industry 5.0. Maybe the ground is not even, and what? Then I have to go slower. But my target is only one. I would like to build the wasteless world. The world without waste and wasting in all its forms, and this is the only aim I had. And Industry 5.0 aim industries, the biggest emitters of waste. But who will prefer to generate cost instead of waste? For sure not a good leader. For sure not someone who really cares. I have decided which way I will go, and I go this way for 7 years. And for 5 years it's called Industry 5.0, implementing one by one the wasteless world and the waste prevention in factories and companies. In 2020, Industry 5.0 get global, and it will be stronger every single day. Please come on board. Let us build wasteless world together, because it's not the bank, it's you who can make the change.